Hello everyone, this is Daniel again for structures. I'm going to show you specifically today on how to use Asana, specifically on how to create tasks and how to send them to your team. And also, if you want to make an assignment for yourself from what was given from either Buzzy or I, it's also important to learn how to use the tasks and how to move them from one side to the other, or even how to create your own column. So I will show you for this. So for example, I'm going to be using my own that I have, which is this one right here. And you can do this as well on your own, which for the sub teams, they have thermal analysis. You have your own in structures 1 and 2, fins and thrust structure, tanks and piping, and general structure, and nose cone, of course. And for this, let's go here. For example, for me, as you can see, there's a bunch of things that I have here. This one I can delete because it's not needed anymore. This one I'm going to put here in progress. So you see what I've been doing here, how I'm moving all the different tasks and what's important, what's not important. So we're going to go here to create a task, to do, in progress, done, and roster. These are all different according to what you want, but since this is mine specific, my own specific board, which is what this whole thing is called, you can manipulate it however you want that helps you accomplish your goal. So let's go and create a task. You're going to select the plus sign here right below to do in this case, and you're going to create an Asana task. I'm going to click enter, and then what enter does, it creates another task over here. But now specifically, if you want to customize your very own task, you're going to double click, pop-up shows up, and it tells you how to customize it. So you can add your own subtask, which is a breakdown of all the things that you need to do. So for example, if you need to do some R&D, which is research and development, you're going to go straight for the breakdown. So if it's nose cone, you're going to specify the materials of this nose cone. What series do I use? What is it good to be composite? Is it important if it's one material or multiple materials? That's what composite means, yes. And so on and so forth. Same thing for fins. What type of fins are you going to use? You're going to use the samurai type, or are you going to use the one that you see in SpaceX? Are you going to have them move? Are they going to be static? Things like this. So if you're going to assign it to yourself, you can click here to where it says assignee, unassigned, and then click yourself. But if it's for someone else, for example, for the leaders, like for the leader of general structures, nose cone, thrust structure, and thermal analysis, you click on the person specifying it, whoever it is. So in this case, it's going to be me for this task. And you see, as I'm updating here, it's also being updated there on the main board. And then let's say due date. Let's say it's Friday. So you have a due date there. Projects. This is where it's going to be located, the task. This is in what column of the board it's going to be in. And then the description of the task. How to add tasks or remove tasks, whatever there is. If you have any questions, you can always message me here or message Buzzy, however you like. If you guys don't like to use Slack, if you guys choose to use another option, this is another option as well. You can put whatever question you like. From where do I find the research? Can you help me find what I'm looking for? Is there this? Is there that? Whatever. You can put it here as well. And then once you're done, you're going to click the X because it's already automatically updated. And it's right there. And then this is assigned to you, right? Now, how are you going to move the task that you're actually working? Because once you move this task to here or to here or to here, I get a notification that you're actually doing something. If you don't, then nothing happens. I don't get an email. But this is for me to know as paper trail saying, hey, so-and-so is doing this. Hey, this person is actually working on this. We don't have to move his task to someone else or her task to someone else. Everything is ready to go. So you're going to press and hold. You're going to move it to here. And just by doing that, I get an email saying, hey, Daniel sent this from to-do column to in progress column. And then if it's moved from here to here, I also get another one too, right here. And then that's done. Now, if you notice that this one is grayed out a little bit, whereas this one, even though they're both done, this one is still black and it clear. Why? Well, if you look here and you click on the three dots, you see it says mark incomplete, whereas this one, if I click it there, the same place, mark complete. So if you mark incomplete, that's fine, but that's for your own reference. Unfortunately, I have to sign into Asana to see if you completed the task. But for me to know that you finished it is by moving it from to do to in progress to done. And that's it. Thank you for your time, guys. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. If you have any feedback on this video series, let me know. If it's helped you or if it's not helped you, let me know. Any comment is appreciated, and hope to see you guys in the next one.